Hey there, my friend. Are you tired of dealing with pesky kidney issues like stones, infections, or the dreaded prospect of dialysis? Well, buckle up, because I'm about to introduce you to a game-changing trio of fruits that can transform the health of your kidneys and help you avoid these complications for good. You see, our modern lifestyles and diets have placed an unprecedented strain on our kidneys, leading to a worrying rise in kidney-related problems. But what if I told you that nature has provided us with a beautiful bounty of solutions, just waiting to be discovered? Introducing the Kidney Cleansing Trio. 3 incredible kidney-boosting fruits that have helped thousands of people regain control of their kidney health and say goodbye to the constant worry and discomfort. These natural wonders are not only incredibly effective, but they're also absolutely delicious and easy to incorporate into your daily routine. So stick around, my friend, because I'm not just going to share the top 3 fruits for kidney health. I'm also going to reveal a special kidney detox smoothie that's going to have your body feeling better than ever. Trust me, once you start sipping on this magical elixir, your kidneys will be singing with joy. Are you ready to unlock the power of nature's kidney-boosting superstars? Then, let's dive in. Fruit number 1. Cranberries, nature's kidney scrubbers. Let's start with a true powerhouse, the mighty cranberry. These tart, ruby-red berries are absolute superheroes when it comes to kidney health, and for good reason. You see, cranberries are packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that can help reduce the risk of kidney stones and protect your kidneys from damage. In fact, studies have shown that regular cranberry consumption can actually dissolve existing kidney stones, making them a true lifesaver for those who suffer from this painful condition. But that's not all. Cranberries are also natural diuretics, which means they can help flush out excess fluids, toxins, and waste products from your kidneys. Imagine your kidneys taking a refreshing spa day, courtesy of these incredible little berries. Now, I know what you're thinking, but cranberries are so sour. How am I supposed to enjoy them? Well, my friend, the good news is that there are plenty of delicious ways to incorporate cranberries into your diet. You can start by sipping on some unsweetened cranberry juice, or even sprinkle some dried cranberries on your morning oatmeal or yogurt. And if you're feeling extra adventurous, try whipping up a batch of cranberry-infused smoothies, or using them as a topping for your favorite roasted veggies. The tart, tangy flavor of cranberries pairs beautifully with so many different dishes, and your taste buds and your kidneys will be thanking you for it. But the benefits of cranberries don't stop there. These little berries are also loaded with compounds that can help prevent harmful bacteria from adhering to the lining of your bladder and kidneys, reducing the risk of infections and further kidney damage. It's like having a team of tiny berry-powered cleaning crew scrubbing away at your kidneys. So, if you're looking to give your kidneys a much-needed refresh, cranberries should be at the top of your list. Incorporate them into your diet regularly and get ready to experience the transformative power of nature's kidney-cleansing superstar. Fruit number 2, lemons, nature's kidney stone busters. Next up, we have the humble lemon, a true unsung hero when it comes to kidney health. These bright, tangy fruits are packed with citric acid, which can actually help dissolve kidney stones and prevent new ones from forming. But that's not all. Lemons are also natural diuretics, which means they can help flush out excess fluids and toxins from your kidneys. And get this, the alkalizing effect of lemon juice can also help neutralize the acidity in your body, reducing the strain on your kidneys and promoting overall balance. Now, I know what you're thinking. Lemons? Really? How am I supposed to incorporate them into my diet? Well, my friend, the possibilities are endless. You can start your day with a refreshing glass of warm lemon water, or even add a few lemon slices to your water bottle throughout the day. And if you're feeling extra fancy, try whipping up a batch of lemon-infused iced tea, or even adding a spritz of lemon juice to your favorite roasted vegetables. The bright, tangy flavor of lemons is the perfect complement to so many dishes, and your kidneys will thank you for it. But the real magic of lemons lies in their ability to dissolve kidney stones. These pesky little crystals can cause excruciating pain and lead to all sorts of other kidney-related issues, but the citric acid in lemons can actually help break them down and flush them out of your system. Imagine going from dealing with the constant discomfort and worry of kidney stones to feeling like a whole new person. All thanks to the humble lemon. It's almost too good to be true, but trust me, my friend, the science is solid. So, if you're tired of dealing with kidney stones and you're ready to take back control of your kidney health, lemons should be your new best friend. Incorporate them into your daily routine and get ready to experience the transformative power of nature's kidney stone-busting superstar. Fruit number 3, watermelon, nature's kidney hydrator. Last, but certainly not least, we have the mighty watermelon, a true summertime staple that's also a kidney health superstar. These juicy, hydrating fruits are packed with water, which can help keep your kidneys functioning at their best. And that's not all. Watermelon is also loaded with citrulline, an amino acid that can actually help improve blood flow to your kidneys, promoting optimal filtration and waste removal. But that's not all. Watermelon is also a natural diuretic, which means it can help flush out excess fluids and toxins from your body. And get this, the lycopene in watermelon, the compound that gives it its vibrant color, can also help protect your kidneys from oxidative stress and inflammation. Now, I know what you're thinking. Watermelon? In the winter? How is that even possible? Well, my friend, the beauty of watermelon is that it's available year-round. And there are so many ways to incorporate it into your diet. You can enjoy it as a refreshing snack, blend it into a smoothie, or even add it to a salad for a burst of flavor and nutrition. And if you're feeling extra adventurous, try grilling some watermelon slices for a delicious and kidney-friendly summertime treat. Trust me, your taste buds and your kidneys will be thanking you. But the real magic of watermelon lies in its ability to keep your kidneys hydrated and functioning at their best. Our kidneys are constantly working hard to filter out waste and toxins from our bodies, and they need plenty of water to do their job effectively. That's where watermelon comes in. Its high water content can help keep your kidneys flushed, hydrated, and ready to take on any challenge. Imagine your kidneys feeling refreshed, energized, and ready to tackle the day. That's the power of watermelon, my friend. So, if you're looking to give your kidneys a much-needed boost, make sure to add this kidney-friendly superstar to your daily routine. All right, my friend, now that you know the kidney cleansing trio, the 3 incredible kidney-boosting fruits that have transformed thousands of lives, it's time to take your kidney health to the next level. Are you ready for a real game changer? I'm about to reveal a special kidney detox smoothie that's not only delicious, but also packed with all the nutrients your kidneys need to thrive. This is the secret weapon that can help you take control of your kidney health and say goodbye to those pesky issues like infections, stones, and the dreaded prospect of dialysis. Trust me, once you start incorporating this magical elixir into your daily routine, you're going to feel like a brand new person. Your energy levels will soar, your digestion will improve, and you'll finally be able to say goodbye to that constant bloating and discomfort. So, are you ready to unlock the power of nature's kidney-boosting superstars? Let's dive in. Final tip, recipe. Introducing the ultimate kidney detox smoothie. This powerhouse of a smoothie is loaded with all the kidney-friendly fruits we've been talking about, plus a few extra superstar ingredients to really take your kidney health to the next level. Ingredients: 1 cup fresh or frozen cranberries, 1 lemon, juiced, 1 cup diced watermelon, 1 tablespoon honey, optional for sweetness, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, 1 tablespoon ground flaxseed, 1 teaspoon ground ginger for added anti-inflammatory benefits. Instructions: 1. Add all the ingredients to a high-speed blender and blend until smooth and creamy. Pour the smoothie into a large glass and enjoy immediately. Now let's break down the magic behind each of these ingredients. Cranberries. As we've already learned, cranberries are natural diuretics that can help flush out excess fluids and toxins from your kidneys. Plus, they contain compounds that can prevent harmful bacteria from adhering to the lining of your bladder and kidneys. Lemon. The citric acid in lemon juice can help dissolve existing kidney stones and prevent new ones from forming. Plus, the alkalizing effect can help neutralize acidity in your body. Watermelon. The water and citrulline in watermelon can help keep your kidneys hydrated and functioning at their best. Plus, the lycopene provides additional protection against oxidative stress and inflammation. Honey. While not strictly necessary, a touch of honey can help balance the tartness of the cranberries and lemons, making this smoothie even more delicious and enjoyable. Almond milk. This dairy-free milk is a great source of calcium, which can help support overall kidney health. Flaxseed. These tiny seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which can help reduce inflammation and support kidney function. Ginger. The active compound in ginger, gingerol, is a powerful anti-inflammatory that can help protect your kidneys from damage and promote optimal function. Now, I know what you're thinking. That's a lot of ingredients. How am I supposed to find the time to make this every day? Well, my friend, the beauty of this smoothie is that it's incredibly easy to whip up, and you can even make a big batch and enjoy it throughout the week. Just imagine starting your day with a refreshing, kidney-boosting smoothie that's bursting with flavor and nutrition. Not only will it give your kidneys the TLC they deserve, but it'll also leave you feeling energized, focused, and ready to take on the day. And the best part? This smoothie is so versatile, you can even enjoy it as a midday snack or a post-workout recovery drink. Just throw all the ingredients into a blender, give it a whirl, and voila! You've got a delicious, kidney-friendly treat that's ready to go. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to show your kidneys some love and start incorporating this magical smoothie into your daily routine. Thanks for tuning in, my friend. Remember, when it comes to your kidneys, there's no such thing as too much love and attention. So, let's get to it. And let's show those hard-working organs some serious appreciation.